All right, so let's talk about that elusive six-pack. But first, let me ask you a quick question. If you do a whole bunch of sit-ups, will you effectively burn the fat in your abs and have a six-pack? Will you be able to see it? The answer is no. No amount of sit-ups is going to deliver you a six-pack if you have too much fat on your body. And the reason is this. Your body is really an efficiency machine. It's designed to kind of keep you alive. And when you have excess calories, it converts it into adipose tissue, which is fat. And it stores on the outside of your body as something to insulate you, something to protect you, and it's just a more effective place to kind of carry the fat around. So when you have a high body fat percentage, you can't see any of your muscles. That's why people who have a higher body fat don't have any definition. But at the same time, you can push through the gushy stuff and feel firmness beneath it. Gushy's the fat on the surface and your muscles beneath it. So spot treatment, a lot of people will use a spot treatment, especially like in the areas of the thigh, the buttocks, or in the abdominal area, or in the backs of their arms. And the idea is, like I said, they think that if they do a whole bunch of exercises like that, they're going to burn a whole bunch of calories in that area. Never will work, ever, unfortunately. The only way to effectively get definition and get a six-pack is to lower your body fat composition. And the way it works is when you can take a test, and I'm going to put this information together for you so you can calculate what your body fat percentage is, and that'll be in the membership area. But when you figure out what your body fat is, you can figure out there's two parts to your body basically. You've got your lean mass and you've got your fatty mass. So this is the reason the scale doesn't work. If you are exercising, then you're increasing the lean mass. And as you're doing that, you're burning more calories, so you're lowering the fatty mass. But at the same time, your body's weight may stay the same. The scale doesn't shift, but you're leaning up, you're getting stronger, putting on more muscle, and you're losing fat. See, that's why scales don't work. That's one more reason scales don't work. Now, if you are somebody who's excessively overweight or more overweight than you want to be, for instance, myself, I want to try and actually lower my body's weight by about 30 pounds. I want to get down by 200. But I want to continue increasing my muscle mass and all that kind of stuff. But I have a lot more fat to work with than you might. If you just want to lose a couple of pounds, of fat, then what I'd like you to try and do is stay the same body weight, but simply remove the body fat and increase the muscle mass. So it's a double benefit. The more muscle you have on your body, the less fat you're going to have eventually, because your body will continue eating at the fat the more muscle you have. And plus, there are different ways to train your body that are more effective for really stimulating metabolism. And I'll teach you all of them as we go through the course of this program. But the biggest thing, again, always, obviously, is you want to have a strategy. The more strategic you are in your approach, the faster and the better results you get. So you want to keep yourself more positive, obviously. The better you're keeping yourself on the goals of looking and feeling great, the faster the results will come. And basically what's going to happen is, the course of going through this program and doing these types of things, you're going to wake up and you're going to have your six-pack. And you're going to look and feel amazing. The six-pack will be the default. So again, spot treatment won't work. If you do 1,000 sit-ups, then you're going to have a really strong stomach, but nobody can see it. So if you work the body and train the body appropriately, like we will, and turn yourself into an athlete, which I'm going to help you do, your body's going to want to burn the fat off, and then you're going to wake up and you will have your six-pack. So what I'd love to see you do in the comment area is write about some people you've seen, and this may be you, who's done a whole bunch of sit-ups and got frustrated when they couldn't get that six-pack, and acknowledge or tell me a little bit of a story about the the difference in smart training, using the strategy, getting the whole body in shape versus just a small portion of the body.